Hey, Dalton, can I talk to you for a second?
Sure.
All right, Dalton. You haven't written a sketch since we started this thing. Your acting is lousy, and we think you gave the cameraman herpes.
No, I didn't. I gave the cameraman tuberculosis. It was the director I gave herpes.
But I'm the Whatever the case, you have to write something within the next hour, or you're out of the troupe.
Write something. What to write?
Dalton, you done? Dalton? All right, Dalton, what do you got?
That was a pencil. I broke. And the pen. And the blood.
That's it. You're out of the troupe. Oh, what's this? This is pretty good. Yeah.
I have to clean up that part.
It looks fine. It looks fine.
How the heck did that line get there?
Because when you hit the ground, it splattered out that way.
Gross. Double gross.
You should see me when I massaged Amanda's hand and I didn't have any oil.